Let's go to the AMD website. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. This is a company which actually takes over the Xilinx incorporation. Previously, Xilinx is providing this software, but nowadays AMD has taken over this, and now AMD is providing this software, Vivado software, for the purpose of learning and implementations. So you need to log into the AMD site, and there you will go to the products. In products, you can see there are lots of products, right? Business, this. We need to go for the software tools and apps. In software tools, we need Vivado software, adaptive SoC and FPGA tools. Inside this, go to the Vivado software. Okay, after going to the Vivado software, it will take you to this page. From here you need to download. Now click on to the download. Here you can select the version, the latest version, whatever it is having, and directly you can go at this side and download this. Okay, it is of 233.3 MB. So just click on this. It will ask you to sign in. If you do not have the account, just you need to create account. You need to create the account. Once you sign in, you need to fill the necessary details. Here your name, first name, last name, the email address, the company name for what you are using, location, postal code, city, and for what purpose or job function you are having. If you do not have any function, you can also select others. There is an option others. Okay, like this. After that, just click on to the download button. Once you do this, it will start downloading the software. Once it is completed, just save it at specified place if you want that exe file, because I have this exe file. I want to save this exe file in my one of the drives, let's say. Okay, so I'm saving it over here, right? Let's say I will put it in a software, in a folder, Vivado 2025.2, let's say, and save it. After that, what you need to do, you need to just, this is an exe file for Windows 64. Just right click on it and run as administrator. Then you will click on yes. Once you does this, it will start extracting the installer file. You need to wait for some time. allow. It will take to welcome. It is asking a new version is available. Okay, AMD Design Tool 20 is now available. Click get latest, download this latest version and cancel this installation. Click continue to continue with this installation of AMD Design Tools 2025.2. We'll go for continue. Okay, after that what we need to do, we need to just click on next. Again, whatever the email ID that we have created earlier, we need to log in. Next, it will ask you that what do you want to install. We want to install Vivado software presently. Then we'll select this. Later on, if we want, we can install some other software also. Next. Now it is asking you what do you want. You want to install Vivado ML standard or Vivado ML enterprise. Go for ML standard. Later on, if we want, we can choose this one also. So I was just want to show it to you that why I am choosing this one. Okay, in this we can go for Zinc Ultra School, only this one, or if you want you can choose this one also, no issue. We'll go for Zinc only. Okay, so accordingly you can see the disk space required will become less. Okay, we do not want with this model computer presently we also do not want this, so we can deselect this. Okay, next. Then I agree. Later on if you want you can upgrade this, no issue. Whatever you want you can install. Now we can change the location to C drive, back, and check whether it will be fine or not. Okay, and specifically if there is any in C drive, specifically any folder, if we want we can choose a specific folder also. Let me choose any specific folder where we can install it. Or I can create, oh okay, it will take these locations, no issue in it. Okay, this is fine. Now next. Okay, and then you just click onto the install. So now you can see it took around 2 hours to complete the installation process, and during the installation it is asking you, at the final processing stage, it is asking you to install this device software. So what we will do, we'll click on the install button and wait for the final processing to be completed. So now you can see it, the installation has been completed successfully. We need to click on the OK button. Now it is done. So as you can see, it is asking you to get the license. So it is very important to get this license. For that, we need to automatically it is showing this button. We only need to just click on the collect now. Now it will take you to the site of AMD, where again it may ask you the again ask you to log in. But if you are, because I have already logged in another window, so it is showing me the product licensing page, name and address verification. So this page only opens, and it will ask you or just verify for the name and address verification. You just check it out. All these things are same as you have done previously during the downloading process. The same thing is there, and then you need to just onto the submit. Once you submit, it will take you to the product licensing page, where you need to select your software for which you want to generate the license. So what we want, Vivado design suite. This is the requirement. So we'll click onto this and generate node lock license from here itself. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, and we need to click onto the next over here. Again, same thing is there. We need not to just click on to the next. Okay, so it is showing you that your node license has been generated. Your new license file has been successfully generated, and it is emailed to my email ID. Okay, so I need to download this license from there, from my email ID. So as you see in the previous step, that the license has been emailed to my email ID, as I told you. So you need to log into your email ID, and then from there you need to download the license file. So I have already downloaded the license file and put it into the specified folder. Now you need to load the license. Just need to click on over here and then copy license. So wherever you have stored your license, you need to just go to this place. So I haven't put it over there, over, so you can see, and open it. So you can see license installation was successful. Okay. So that's it, that you need to complete all these things. Thank you for watching this video.